For security purposes, it is highly recommended that you change your password on a regular basis. To change your TES Management System account's password, click the arrow down icon on the upper right-hand corner of the web page and select Change Password. The system will display a form where you are prompted to type in your old password, new password, and confirmatory field for new password. Click Change Password button. The system shall prompt a message to confirm that the password has been successfully changed.